So essentially that's the chair that we used when my father was alive for him to come up the stairs. So naturally, when they try to come in, I have home business here, I sell things online, so I have no room to put anything anywhere. But anyway, walk up the stairs and look, you have very little room over here because I've got a lot of shit going on here. So here's this piece of crap that if you try to press your hand for the ice, all you hear is spinning. There's nothing in there. You know why? Because there's no fucking ice. Because this thing is useless. Can't make ice to save its life. And then these doors, here's another thing. These doors are crap. This thing keeps falling off. It breaks. And these little things over here mean nothing. They don't do anything. Neither does this. The shelves don't fit merchandise or food properly. And of course, this thing is never going to work. It's unworking. And you can't really fit anything in here either. So, like I said, I would rather have the ice box that Jackie Gleason had on the honeymooners, where you have to actually buy a big chunk of ice once a week, than this crap.